Hello. I'm new in this. If you've got garage doors like this and you've got a problem with opening and closing with the garage doors, mine is working perfectly now. And yes, please ask the questions. And I just rang the factory settings. I just rang the people. They can help me, and now they're closing perfectly. They used to close like this and open instantly on the 3/4, and now it's fixed. And if you've got any questions, not about the technical, not about the motor or fixing things, about the opening closing, please feel free to send the questions if you like or not. That is working fine and I'm happy. And they're not opening anymore. They're closing fine. I just did that. I just did that on purpose. Thank you.